we guide you through how to generate voice from Google AI Studio. So the first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Google AI Studio, then sign in using your Google account. Once inside the dashboard, look for the Create New Prompt or Build section and select the model that supports audio or text-to-speech generation, usually Gemini or audio-enabled tools. Next, in the prompt box, type the exact script or text you want to convert into voice, making sure it is clear and properly written for natural speech output. After that, adjust the settings such as voice style, tone, speed, and output format if available, depending on how you want the final audio to sound. Then, click the Run or Generate button and wait for the AI to process your request. Once it's done, you can preview the generated voice, and if it sounds good, simply download the audio file or copy the output link for use in your project. If needed, you can refine your prompt and regenerate until you get the perfect voice result.